Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal without linking a bank account. First, you'll learn about the primary methods for funding your PayPal account without a direct bank connection. We'll cover using debit or credit cards for your transactions, offering a straightforward way to pay. Additionally, we'll explore how to utilize PayPal Cash or PayPal Cash Plus accounts, providing even more flexibility. This guide will help you navigate PayPal's features to manage your money effectively and securely, giving you control over your online payments. One of the easiest ways to use PayPal without a bank account is by linking your debit or credit card. Simply add your card details to your PayPal profile. When making a purchase or sending money, you can select your linked card as the funding source. It's crucial to ensure your card has sufficient funds for any transaction. While most purchases are free, some transactions, like sending money to friends and family using a credit card, might incur a small fee, typically around 2.9% plus 30 cents. For even greater flexibility, consider a PayPal Cash or PayPal Cash Plus account. These accounts allow you to add funds at thousands of retail locations, like Walmart or CVS, often for a small fee, usually around $3.95. You can also set up direct deposit for paychecks or government benefits directly into your PayPal Cash Plus account. This essentially gives you a PayPal balance that functions much like a traditional bank account, enabling you to manage your money and make payments without needing a separate bank link. Once your PayPal account is funded, whether through linked cards or a PayPal Cash account, you're ready to make payments. You can use your available PayPal balance for online purchases, sending money to friends, or paying for services. Receiving money from others is also simple. Funds will appear directly in your PayPal balance. If you need to access your money physically, you can withdraw funds to a linked debit card, often within minutes for a small fee, or request a check by mail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.